everyone, welcome back to my garage. I did say that there wasn't going to be a video probably this week because I'm on holiday, which I am. I'm not actually even here, but no, it's actually bank holiday Monday, so I've got a couple of hours, so I've come back over here. I'm just trying to make up. I made up a couple of little panels to go in the back of the wheel arches up in there, so I'm going to get them stitched in and then hopefully get all the rear valance on it. I forgot I had to do these bits. I thought I won't be over here that long because all I need to do is stitch the valance on. I've still got to put the strengthener plates in as well, so I've got to clean all that lot up yet, and I've got to fix one of them as well. So we'll see how we get on, but yeah, I'll do what I done last time and I'll film a bit with a time lapse, so I'm not going to film everything. Right, so I've switched off the camera there because it's quite awkward getting in there, and all you'd probably be looking at is the back of my bald head. So yeah, so I turned it off, but yeah, it's all welded in that side, and little piece in down the bottom of that side. So them three layers are all joined together now. Yeah, so there's three layers there, same as right at the back. So I've been linishing all that back, clean these up, weld through primer under them. So I need to put some weld through primer inside the boot there now, just around where they're going on, and then wait for that to dry and then get these welded in. But yeah, nearly there with it. wow, with the back end anyway, but it's pretty much all the welding done after this. Right, so before I forget, I need to put my tangs for the wiring loom across the back. I didn't think I'd be able to get to it, but I can reach it. I'll just put some gaffer tape round here just so it won't arc out. I can just about reach these, I think, but I'll definitely reach the middle ones. But if I can't reach the middle ones, then I'll have to plug weld them, but I can do that in a minute when I do these. But I'm still waiting for that to dry, so I thought I'll get them plugged in there. Yeah. Right, so that's them on there. They're nothing special, it's only just to hold the wiring. I don't know if they're in quite the right place, but better not having any whatever. So yeah, all good. I did put a weld through primer between them and the body as well, so just in case you wondered. Yeah. Right, so these brackets next, that's dry now, so we'll get these welded in. All good. So there we go, that's them in there as well. Still need to linish them back. I did have a bit of hassle there. I started blowing, it must be a bit thin there. I did blow a little bit of hole, but I filled it up. So it's all good. So yeah, just need to clean them up now. And then I think I'm ready to put the valance on. I've got a drill hole down in here actually as well, for the wiring loom, for the fog light to go through. Yeah, it's all good. I've had a good day today. Right, so as you probably saw, I stopped that halfway through when I was doing the spot welding, but all that rear valance is on now and I'm about done for the day. But I think I've done everything. All the closers are in, the valance is on, I've even got the tank bracket back in, strength of the brackets are both in. So yeah, done alright today. I think that is the back end done. Although I say that, but look at the state of them. I've got the black, I've got all of this out of that black one that I cut out. So I might fix that. I think I ought to fix it. It seems a bit dark. I can't leave that like that, can I? And I really don't want massive speakers. I just want to get a pair of original speakers. So yeah, anyway, that's all going to be once I come back off my holiday now, because like I said, when you're watching this I'll actually be away. So thanks for watching if you've made it this far, and we'll see you when I'm back from my holiday. Have a good week. Thanks for watching. See you later.